What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Raw Vegan Dude and Tamarillo.
Hey guys!
So today she's eaten durian before, and I haven't yet.
Yeah, this is Raw Vegan Dude.
My birthday present.
It's your birthday, so it's his first time trying durian, and you're gonna have a taste test.
So let's take
We're gonna
closer
see his
look.
reaction.
Montong
Yeah,
Thai durian.
it's from Thailand, and I've had it, but let's see his reaction.
I have no idea what it's gonna taste like.
Yeah, like most people, they've never tried durian before, and they get quite shocked when they taste it for the first time. I know the first time I had it, I was like, what on earth? Because you get so many different flavors. So let's see, if he likes it, maybe.
I'm sure I'm gonna like it, but I just don't know what to expect.
Yeah, he can give it a rating out of 10.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Are you
Let's
guys
cut
ready?
into it. Okay, Tammy,
Yes.
do you the honors.
You use this massive tool.
So if you're wondering why we are in the dark, we're actually in Swaziland, and there's actually no electricity.
There's no
here.
light.
It's actually quite nice, and there's no Wi-Fi.
Yes.
So
It's so good to get out of the city, as everybody knows.
she's opening the box.
Yeah.
Okay, let's dig into
Dun,
it.
dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
It's so smushy. Oh my gosh, it's so smushy.
It's definitely thawed out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh, the smell. Can you smell it? Let me take a video. He's gonna smell.
Wow.
What does it smell like?
You know, they say garbage. Garbage, like a sulfur smell. Like... Okay, I'm gonna cut open the garbage. Yeah, like a bin.
It smells like a bit. Okay, he's cutting it open.
I'm using it the wrong way. Wow, that is strong.
Yo, it smells so staunch.
That it's like nothing I've smelled before.
It
It's
smells.
like oniony.
Yeah. Get a nice proper whiff in there and tell us what you
Okay,
smell.
it smells much better now.
What do you think it smells like? Onion. I'm gonna smell.
Can you give it a sniff?
I just think it smells really good. Woo! It's strong smell.
I can smell a sweetness coming through.
Yes.
Okay.
You're gonna have your first taste.
Okay. First time eating the king of fruit.
Yeah. Let's see what it's like.
That's probably the best fruit I've ever eaten. If this is frozen,
Yeah.
I can't imagine what the fresh.
Yeah, like straight off a tree is gonna taste like. Is it good?
Wow.
Is it good?
Well, that tastes like something, like a cooked dessert of some sort.
The first time I had it, I thought it tasted like cake.
Tastes
I
like
don't know.
cake. It's dense.
I'm gonna try some as well.
Wow. Just turns around.
I'm losing my mind.
It's so good.
Oh, wow.
It is so good.
Okay, let's go. Oh my god.
It's like vanilla ice cream mixed with like spring onion. But it's like super sweet. It's so sweet. Wow. I'm gonna go in for another piece.
Yeah.
He's the king of fruit.
He's just like hands down. See, he's so quiet even because he's enjoying it so much.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It It is so good. Like vanilla cake, like dense vanilla cake, mixed in with like spring onion.
You want spring onion and vanilla cake?
That's what, in my opinion, that's what it tastes like.
Yeah, guys, you must tell us what you guys think durian tastes like. Please comment down below because I think it tastes like onion and vanilla cake.
Yeah.
It's like spring onion and vanilla cake. Guys, please comment down below if you agree or what you think. What do you think durian tastes like? Some people really don't like it, but like, oh my god. Oh, I'm definitely having some more. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Oh my gosh.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did have managed to eat durian before,
Yes.
please go ahead. Is it recording?
Yes.
Please go ahead and hit us with a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you again on the next video.
Bye, guys.
Take care. Bye.